My love for you is unwavering, a force that has always been and always will be. The words you spoke cut deep, but I know you don't always see what I see. I only wanted to protect you, to give you a life where you would never lack, a future that feels secure. Perhaps I was too frugal, but I wanted to create balance in all things, not to deny you anything, but because I believed in harmony. 5 pairs of shoes instead of 20, but always the best of their kind. It was never about taking from you, but about seeing the road ahead. I taught you to drive when you were still a child, not in a dream car, but in one that carried us forward. Everything I did for you, to shield you from harm, from dark paths that many others walk. I wasn't the one who slept when you were out late. I waited for you, ensured you came home safe. Perhaps because I saw how others lost their children, and I couldn't let that happen to you. Think I was stingy, but everything I did came from love. I didn't always choose the easiest path, but I did my best to secure your future. Now we have homes in 2 countries, a life built on hard work and care. You never felt the lack, you always had the best. Now I stand before a great challenge, an operation that may change everything. But no matter what happens, I want you to know my love for you is unshakable, always present, regardless of distance or time. If I didn't always show it the way you wished, it was because I believed I was doing what was right. One day you may understand, when you stand as a father yourself. But until that day comes, remember that you are my greatest treasure.